this is Laura Leist, and I am coming to you from the beautiful island of Maui. And today's topic for our newsletter is how to get all of your information organized for upcoming travel. So if you think about all of the information that you have when it comes to your itineraries and your hotel reservations and a car reservation and places that you want to go, how do you organize all of that information and have it easily at your fingertips? Well, there's a great solution for that, and one that you may not have thought of for your vacation. And the solution is a digital notebook. Now, my preference is using Microsoft OneNote for this, although there are other applications as well, such as Evernote or Google Keep. My specialty is in using OneNote. So I'm going to give you an example of what you could do on your upcoming trip that you're planning and how you could use this tool. So let's say that you are planning a trip to Europe and you are going to visit Rome and Paris and Venice. You could create a section in your digital notebook, one for Paris, one for Rome, and one for Venice. And then inside each of those sections, you would have pages. And those pages might contain your hotel information for each location that you're visiting, as well as any car or train information. You might also, as you're planning for this trip, think about some of the activities that you want to see. Maybe you're purchasing tickets in advance to take a tour of the Vatican, for example. You could take that information and save all of that to your OneNote notebook. The other thing that you could do that I think would be really helpful is you could take a scan or a picture of your passport, your driver's license, your credit cards, and you could store these in your OneNote notebook. And the reason that I say that is because if on the unfortunate chance that you had some of those items taken from you, you would be able to still access pictures of these stored inside of your OneNote notebook. And I can guarantee you that if somebody even got a hold of your phone, they are not even going to think about looking in a OneNote notebook for this kind of information, especially your credit cards or maybe even your passport information. So again, so many uses with Microsoft OneNote, or if you prefer, using Evernote if that's your tool of choice. But please think about how you could use this tool on the next vacation that you start planning, so that all of your information can be with you at your fingertips and you are not carrying around a big folder of information with you anymore. So I'm going to sign off from Maui and go enjoy the rest of my vacation while I'm here. And I just want to say a big mahalo for watching this video newsletter.